At the Luxury Pergola, we've always held that luxury isn't just a promise, it's a craft, honed in the smallest details. That belief has guided us for years, through every design, every conversation with our customers. That's what led us to create the bolt and lock assembly system, an innovation born from a desire to elevate not just the pergola itself, but the experience of bringing it to life. This system didn't come out of nowhere. It's the culmination of listening, refining, and pushing boundaries. We set out to rethink assembly, not to settle for the ordinary. And with bolt and lock, that vision takes shape. Imagine a process that cuts assembly time in half, without a hint of complexity. It's streamlined, intuitive, designed to let the elegance of the pergola shine through from the very first step. No clutter of parts, no need for endless tools, just a system that flows effortlessly. Then there's the design itself. We've done away with the exposed exterior fasteners. What's left is a pergola that stands apart, sleek, seamless, with lines so clean they seem to defy the usual constraints of construction. It's a look that transforms an outdoor space into something remarkable, and yet the simplicity carries no compromise. The bolt and lock system is built to endure, engineered with the same relentless standards that define every luxury pergola. It's made to face the elements, to hold strong through the years of sun and storm, preserving its beauty and strength as if time stood still. In a world where innovation can feel like an afterthought, this system feels different. It's not just about making things easier, it's about making them better, more refined, more worthy of the spaces they grace. At the Luxury Pergola, we're driven by more than just creating structures. We're shaping moments, legacies, experiences that last. The bolt and lock assembly system embodies that drive, a fusion of practicality and artistry, a testament to what happens when every detail is considered, every possibility explored. This is where luxury meets purpose.